Well done, William. We go up.
Okay, the only worry was that if the runner is on with the arbalete, it might shave in that area. So if you say it's smooth, then it's good. Yes?
Instructions, man. Fuck!
So good. 2.5 hours. That's a record.
I don't feel my legs.
Oh, I hope they come back.
Hold on, man.
Yeah. Nico, it took a while, eh?
2.5 hours.
Yeah, 2.5 hours.
There are laminate.
Are you happy with the mast?
Yeah, such a relief. So well done. But we are straight in our mind into the next job, which is repairing the J2. So now Nico will climb and put the J2. It's a job after job after job. But this was epic. 2.5 hours, Rosie in the mast. She did such an amazing job. Cannot believe she did it.
You want Haribo or chocolate?
1, 2, 4.
Oh yeah, some chocolate. Flex folded. I give you a rack to massage it on, yeah? Start small and eventually.
Yeah. When you grow up, Boris, you could do the big one.
When I come back, I just need to be careful.